Hello. Today we're going to read two books together. We're going to read On the Bus and Sam in Class. Remember, I'm going to give some time for you to read and then we're going to read together. But if that time I give you isn't long enough, you can always click and press pause so you can finish reading the page. Okay? So let's get started with our first book, On the Bus. So before we read this page, I just wanted to point out some things. We are going to see Sam's mom a few times. Okay, so it's always good to take a look at the page and see what are we going to read over and over again. Here's the tricky word. If you look at where my little arrow is, can we say it? It's the number 1. Very good. We also see CK, and that goes, you know what sound it makes? Yeah, awesome. And if we have two letters, two of the same letter together, they're going to make that one sound. And right now they're going to make ooh. Okay. So I'm going to listen as you read, and then we're going to read together. Very good. Keep going. Great job. Remember, you can pause if you're still reading. Okay. Let's read together. The van is in the Fix It shop. Sam's mom must get on the bus. The bus pulls in at the bus stop. Sam's mom gets on and sits in back. The bus bumps up the hill. Sam's mom hangs on with one hand. Great job. Here she is, and look at how bumpy it must be. All right. Again, remember those double letters, they just make that one sound. Okay, and we see Sam's mom again. Okay, so I'm going to listen and then we'll read together. Very nice. All right, here we go together. Sam's mom rings the bell. The bus stops at the next stop. Sam's mom gets off. Oh, and there she is getting off the bus. All right, here's our second book. If you want to keep reading with me today, I would love that. If you want to pause, you can pause and always come back to this book later. Okay? But I'm going to keep reading. So if you're staying with me, let's take a look at our words in our book. We see a lot of these double letters again. Remember, they make one sound. So here we see miss, class. It's not class. Okay, till, it's not till, ooh, right? Bell, will. Okay. So here we go. I can't wait to hear you read. I'm going to listen. Very nice. Let's read together. Sam sits in Miss Mac's class. The kids will print till class ends. Then the bell will ring. Ring. Sam will run and jump in the pond. So I have a question that when it says the kids will print, do you know what that means? They're going to write. Okay. Ooh, we've talked about this if you've seen some of the other videos of mine. We've talked about these two little marks. Can we say them together? Quotation marks. Let's try again. Quotation marks. Okay, that means somebody is talking, so we can change our voice. Okay, to make it sound really exciting. It can feel really silly on the inside, but it's kind of fun too. All right, so I'm going to listen. Remember, if you need some more time to finish reading, you can always pause and then we'll read together. Good job. Awesome. Here we go. Miss Mac has the class print. Remember, that means write. The kids print black cat. Miss Mac checks Sam's print. Okay, here we go. We're going to change our voice. That's a mess, quips Miss Mac. Fix it. It's kind of fun, right? Changing our voice. Ooh, look at that. That's a mess. So he has to write it again. And you see how print, now we see the picture that shows us it means to write. All right. I see those quotation marks again. So Miss Mac, it looks like she's talking again. So get ready to change your voice. Okay, here we go. I'm going to listen. If you need more time, press pause. Otherwise, let's read together. The bell rings. Ring. Sam jumps up and grabs his bag. Miss Mac tells Sam, sit and print. Can we try that again? Let's get our voices ready to sound like Miss Mac. Do you think she's going to be happy? Like, sit and print. Probably not. She's probably going to be a little bit, listen to me. Here we go. Sit and print. Very nice. Ooh, there he is. All right. Here is a, yes, very good question mark. At the end of a question, our voice goes up. Okay, so I want to hear how your voice goes up at the end of this word. Okay, I'm going to listen. Great, that was good. All right, if you need more time, press pause. Otherwise, we're going to read together. Sam sits and prints. Will Miss Mac let him swim? You hear how my voice went up? Can we try that again? Will Miss Mac let him swim? Sam can't tell. Awesome. Oops, too far. All right, I might have to move this page down a bit. Remember though, you can always press pause if you're not finished with the part after I scroll. Okay, this has lots of words on the page, but you can do it. You're an awesome reader. Okay, let me listen. I'm going to move the page. If you need to press pause, go ahead. Okay. If not, I'm going to move it on up. Very good. Great job. If you need some more time to finish, press pause. Otherwise, we're going to read it together. And I see some more quotation marks. This time it's Sam talking, and I see this word yells. So we're going to make our voice, don't yell too loud, but we're going to make our voice kind of happy and like we're yelling. Okay, here we go. Miss Mac tells Sam, print one last thing. Print splash in the pond. Sam grins at Miss Mac. Miss Mac grins back at him. Sam prints splash in the pond. Then Miss Mac sends him off. Sam yells, Miss Mac is the best. Very nice. Let's take a look at that picture. And that is the end of our second book for today. You did a great job, and I want you to tell yourself some things before you go. I want you to tell yourself, I did a great job. I'm an awesome reader. Yes, you are, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.